This is a moment that is really fulfilling and exciting for me. Personally, I've been a fly fisherman since I was a kid, and it is phenomenal to be able to create something that might allow for healthier populations of fish while also helping to transition to a low-carbon future. Hi, I'm Abe Schneider. I'm co-founder and CTO of Natel Energy. We're on site at Monroe Hydropower testing a turbine that we've designed to be safe for downstream passage of fish while also being efficient and compact and cost-effective. We tested this concept in laboratory environment in 2019. Then we did tests on this same site with fish that matched the sizes we test in the laboratory in 2020. And here in 2022, we're extending all those tests to include fish that go beyond those original size ranges to test the biggest possible fish that might be able to fit through a conventional trash rack.
The results of this study will be directly applicable to downstream passage of large adult salmonid species such as Atlantic salmon or steelhead, which migrate downstream at their full grown size. I'm Sterling Watson and I lead fish safe turbine design at Natel. Downstream passage of fish at hydropower plants is a very difficult problem at conventional hydropower sites because most hydropower turbines are not safe for fish to pass through. We are studying downstream passage of rainbow trout through the Restoration Hydro Turbine with Pacific Northwest National Laboratory to validate the fish-safe performance of our turbine design.
My role at PNNL is to work on improving our tagging methods in order to test fish with less bias. And today we're tagging fish with balloon tags and passing them through a turbine that will hope to see less effects on the fish that are being passed through the turbine. We're doing a control group as well. And really what we just want to do is to have the least amount of impact on the fish that we're tagging. And then finding better ways to have hydropower that aren't going to hurt the fish.
I'm Brett Flegrath. I'm a researcher at Pacific Northwest National Laboratory, and today we're examining fish passing through a turbine.
Brett, we got a fish.
As soon as the fish comes up from being recaptured in the tail race, we remove the balloon tags at that point and the radio tag that is attached to the fish to aid in recovery. Do a kind of a preliminary assessment as we are getting a length and weight on the fish. They go in a bag with water, a special water transport bag, and they are transported to a holding tank where they will be held for 48 hours. And after that point, we will do another examination on these fish. So far, we haven't seen hardly any difference between the controls and the treatment.
That's really the main goal, is to improve passage for all species of fish that are going through the dams.
We're trying to explore the limits of how large of a fish could pass safely through small turbines. And ultimately the goal is to simplify the process of both protecting the downstream migration of fish while also allowing hydropower facilities to operate as simply and cost effectively as possible.